Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you what we are taking out for us snack wise to Paultons Park for the day. I know it can be helpful to see what people are take out to eat for the day when they go out to places that are typically very expensive to eat. I apologise if you can hear the noise in the background, that is my washing machine. So I thought I'd just quickly let you know what we're taking, and it might give you some ideas on what to take out when you go on days out too. Okay, this chaos is the main bulk of what we will be taking out with us tomorrow. I will be making us a sandwich each. Me and Gareth will probably have sort of cheese and pickle. Zach will probably just have cheese, and the other two little ones will have, what's it called? Chocolate spread or jam. So more like a chocolate spread, to be honest, because they love chocolate spread. And I have got two of these little drinks from Aldi. These are like £1.59 for 8, which is really good value, and I only ever buy them when we're going out for a day out. So they've got two of those each, plus a carton of orange juice that my mum bought them the other day from the shop, but they didn't actually drink. So they've got that, and I will be taking a drinks bottle with some squash in it for them as well. They are going to have a packet of crisps each. They all love prawn cocktail. I might pop another pack in for Gareth actually as well. And they've all got a bag of party rings each and a fruit binder each, I thought. Where's the third fruit binder? Oh, it's hiding in the bag. There we are. And a fruit binder each. They've all got a bear yo-yo as well, so they can have a little bit of fruit while we're out. And me and Gareth have got a flapjack each to have. I've bought a leftover packet of Miss Molly's digestive biscuits we've got in the cupboard. And now when my mum took Zach swimming this morning, she took Zach and Charlie, and she popped to Costco. Very kindly bought them these brownies and I think donut bites or donut holes or something. So yeah, now we haven't eaten all of these. I've frozen a load in the freezer to put in their packed lunches as their little treat. And I've also packed some for us to take out tomorrow. We've also been munching on some of these today. So there we go. So yeah, I will have this, and we'll have sandwiches and a packet of crisps for Gareth. And I don't actually we don't sit down and have a lunch, so to speak. I feed them on the go, like we walk and eat, and I just like fuel them throughout the day so that we don't have to spend precious park time sit down eating in a picnic area. So if you find this helpful, hold on a second, Lily. If you find this helpful, please give the video a big thumbs up, and also in the comments let me know what you take out to eat on days out with your family.